Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 VW Polo SE. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 60 miles per gallon. In a short group of 7, so ideal for new drivers, and road tax is just £20 a year. The car's been serviced 9 times over the 21,000 miles, so the car's got really good service history. This particular colour is called Urano Grey. It looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you have a look inside, you've got the lovely VW build quality, so everything feels really solid. The seats are in great condition and with a hard wearing fabric. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre, which is a touch screen for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has a CD player in the glove box, as well as air conditioning. And on the driver's door card there, you've got your electric mirror controls and your 4 electric window switches. Being the 5-door version, you have easy access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see the rear passengers also have a cup holder there in the centre. And as we open the tailgate on the Polo, you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then also you have the adjustable floor, so you can hide your valuables underneath, or you can lower it completely to increase the volume. And you've also got a spare wheel underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll offer finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.